Today I show you how you can use the camera of your iPhone for FaceTime on your Mac. Before you can do this, first you need to make sure in AirPlay and Continuity that you have the Continuity camera enabled. And here I opened FaceTime on my MacBook Air, and I also have my iPhone nearby, and I want to show you that you can actually connect the Mac and the iPhone together, and you can switch between the cameras, and this can be even done automatically. You can even choose to switch the microphone. So if you have a better microphone on your Mac or on your iPhone, for example, your iPhone will be closer, you could choose that. When your Mac is accessing your iPhone, you get a notification on the screen of your iPhone, so you know for privacy that there is the camera of your iPhone or the microphone are used for the FaceTime. And in this situation, everything is really pretty smooth. It says connected to the MacBook Air, and you can also choose to disconnect it if you want. Here I show you how I switch between the camera modes. So from the FaceTime video settings, you can choose to use the video feed from the iPhone or from the Mac, and it's also following you. So if you're in a call, in a FaceTime call, it's going to pretty much frame the image for you, so you don't have to worry about moving and you're out of the frame. And also you can choose from here, you can choose automatic camera selection, and yeah, here instead of switching the camera, I choose to turn on low light. So I could turn on the edge light. The edge light is an option where the edge of your MacBook turns into light. Basically it shows white there, so your face shows easier. Yeah, I wasn't able to get it to switch automatically very easy when I wanted to, but you can. The most important thing is that you can switch to the microphone of your iPhone. The continuity features work pretty well together on Mac. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Also, both on Mac and on your iPhone, you can see that the camera and microphone are being accessed, and they are accessed by FaceTime. So here I have all the settings for FaceTime. I can turn off the edge light. Thanks for watching.